Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Defender offline scan settings step by step clearly. To begin, open the Start menu on your computer. Type Windows Security in the search bar. Click on the Windows Security app from the search results. In the Windows Security window, locate and select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find the Virus and Threat Protection. Click on the Manage Settings link under this section. Look for the Offline Scan option in the settings. Ensure that the option is enabled for offline scanning. If it's disabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, navigate back to the Virus and Threat Protection page. Click on the Scan Options link under the Current Threats section. Select the Microsoft Defender Offline Scan option. After selecting, click the Scan Now button. Your computer will prompt you to restart for the offline scan. Click Restart Now to begin the scan. Once your computer restarts, Microsoft Defender will initiate the offline scan. The scan will check for any security threats outside of the normal operating system environment. After the scan completes, your computer will boot back into Windows. You can then check Windows security for any detected threats or actions taken. This completes the process of updating Microsoft Defender offline scan settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.